today I'm talking about my hair routine whilst I was on the Bachelor UK in South Africa. It has kind of differed to what I use now, but I thought I would show you the products that I was using in South Africa and products that you can use in a hotter climate, because let's face it, the UK is raining every day, all day, so you might not need that much hydration to your hair. But I'm just going to go through the hair products that I use, and I washed my hair today fresh for you guys so I can show you the products that I use and how I use them. But before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? You're not waiting for anything? Have you hit that subscribe button? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, I've finished washing my hair. So I washed my hair with the Manuka, honey and Mafura oil, and this is an intensive hydration shampoo with fig extracts and baobab oil, and this is just to hydrate and replenish dry and damaged hair. It has no sulfites, no parabens, no whatever that is, no paraffin, no mineral oil, no synthetic colour, no petroleum. And I loved using this in South Africa simply because, guys, that weather was real sun. You know, like in the UK, I think it was probably like last week, we saw a little bit of 16 degrees, 17 degrees, 19 degrees. We were like, yes. Me, I was ready to wear shorts. You know, I wore thigh-high boot and shorts. I was gassed over 19 degrees. South Africa, that is another story. 34 degrees. My hair was being burnt to a crisp, like literally every day. So I was literally washing my hair like every 3 to 4 days, and I was just using this. As you can see, there's hardly any. I mean, Shea moisture, you can hook me up if you want. But this just really was a lifesaver. Of course, I do use other things now that I'm back in the UK, but today's video is just about what I use. So I've just now shampooed my hair with the Manuka honey shampoo. I would then go in and use the conditioner, and I would also use the intensive hydration hair mask, and they both have the Manuka honey and Mafura oil. I've done a whole blog post on this, so I'll leave it down below and I will tell you the benefits and everything in detail. So I've just got this combination on my hair now. I usually, when I was in the house, would leave it for an hour and just walk around and have breakfast. It depends. Sometimes we were filming, so that shit was on for like half an hour and I was like, oh my god, I don't have enough time. But usually I would leave it on for an hour and I would just walk around and do my daily things. So right now I'm probably going to leave it on the same for an hour and then maybe edit a video, have some food, whatever. I'm just going to read out what the mask does. This is an intense, condition and deep treatment which infuses the hair with a powerful dose of moisture and nutrients. Certified organic shea butter, Mafura and baobab oils are blended with antioxidant rich fig to restore and lock in moisture while deeply conditioning and smoothing for stronger and healthier hair. Yes! And when I apply the conditioner, I don't do anything like crazy. I literally like apply from the root of my hair to the ends of my hair, and then I start doing the middle, and then I start doing the back, and then I go in the middle again and just make sure that conditioner's really sunk in. And yeah guys, so let's give it an hour and I'm going to wash this hair of mine and show you the products that I use to kind of style my hair. Okay guys, so I've just finished washing out that conditioner from my hair. My hair is hella crazy. It's just light and fluffy. I'm just going to use this Label grooming brush, and it's got like thick bristles, and it's just to brush out the hair and any tangles that the hair has. Yeah, and it's just to brush that hair out. And whilst I was in South Africa, I used this coconut miracle oil. As you can see, I've used a lot of this. And OGX says, drench dry damaged strands with the secret of Mui. This ultra rich reviving blend of coconut oil, essence of taya and vanilla bean extract helps to soften and revive strands. Discover silky soft island girl hair. Yes. I wasn't on an island, but we gonna have some island girl hair. So I just literally take like a large amount and just run it through my hair. I would actually have to do this maybe like in the morning and in the evening, simply because of the temperature. My hair did get really dry, so I would take like 1 to 2 kind of pumps of this and then just spread accordingly across my hair. I then would go in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is a reparative leave-in conditioner, softens and detangles the hair while controlling frizz. Perfect for those who regularly love colour, straighten, perm or heat style their hair, as well as kinky, afro, wavy, natural styles. Formulated with Jamaican black castor oil and certified organic shea butter to nourish, moisturise and support elasticity so hair resists breakage while detangling. Conditions and provides a protective layer that improves the appearance of split ends, whilst the peppermint stimulates the scalp for an invigorating experience. So I would literally just apply like an amount and do exactly the same thing, work in the hair, also making sure that you're getting the back of the hair. Like the back of my hair is dry. The back of my hair is dry like Gandhi's flip-flop, guys. It is dry. So I have to make sure that this kind of leave-in treatment is literally going from the back of my hair right to the front, because the front of my hair is kind of really like mixed, and the back of my hair, I think that's my Nigerian side, because that back of my hair is tough. Listen, you know we try, but sometimes Nigerian hair does not want to cooperate. Okay, so I've just put some olive oil edge control just to kind of give my afro some definition. And then just to finish off, I use the Moroccan oil curl Re-Energizing spray. This just keeps the hair kind of like moist and in its curl pattern form. And there you have it, guys. I'm just going to put on my makeup and because I'm looking hella raggedy, and finish everything up for you. Okay guys, so that is the hair products that I use. Just a quick one because I didn't mention it, but whenever my hair started to get a little bit higga, started to smell, I didn't have time to wash it, I would use this. This is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. This is my favourite dry shampoo in the world. Like, I know it is a little bit pricey, guys. It is on the pricey side, but it literally just cleans your hair. Like, I don't know how it does it. I mean, it does it with like charcoal detox, and in my blog post I will list everything, but I'm just like, wow. I even let some of the girls use it, and they were like, oh my flipping god, like this is an amazing. And also you got to think, like, Afro-Caribbean hair is a lot more greasier than European hair. This literally did the trick, especially when I like straightened my hair. I did straighten my hair a few times for events, and when I did and it was like a little bit greasy, this just kind of took away the grease but not the shine. Your hair will still pop in, it still looks healthy. It did take away the grease, and you can use this on natural hair and hair extensions as well, so this is really good. I also use this is the Maison Francis Kurkdjian Paris, and this is scented hair mist. I use this especially when I straightened my hair, because y'all know when you straighten afro hair, that afro hair will be doing smells of burning. People were being really cheeky, saying really cheeky comments. Let's not even get into it, but it's okay, because afterwards I use this, and I just use this to make the hair smell a little bit more fresher and take away that kind of burning smell. But yeah guys, those are all the products I use. I'm just out. I'm even late. But what did you think? Did you like that video? If you did, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of these products so you can purchase them. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay what? Bougie.